Hi, how are you all? Are you having a good sleep? Sleep is very much required for the proper functioning of your body. But do you ever see dreams? Dreams, the mystery land. Yes, if I say that, can you share some of your dreams with me? Some of you might say that no, I don't used to see dreams, or some of you may remember a little bit. But why do we see dreams? And what are dreams? Do you think these are relevant, whatever you think, whatever you want? So here I am to resolve your all the queries regarding dream. In this video, we will explore the science behind dreaming. There's a complete stream of science which deals with the science behind dreaming, and that study is known as oneirology, the science of dreaming. You will be keen to know that every person sees 2 to 3 dreams every night, and we spend 6 years of our life dreaming. So today in this video, let's unsolve the mystery behind dreaming. While exploring the science behind dreaming, we have 2 major questions. First, what is a dream? And second, why do we dream? So, first question can be easily solved. You can Google it. So, the easiest definition which I have got is:
a dream is a succession of images, ideas, emotions, and sensations that usually occur involuntarily in the mind during certain stages of sleep.
In order to answer the second question, that is why do we see dreams, we need to understand the different stages of sleep. Yes, there are different stages of sleep. Traditionally, sleep can be divided into 2 categories. One, REM sleep. Second, non-REM sleep. As the name signifies, REM means rapid eye movement and non-REM means non-rapid eye movement. See, by the expansion you can understand, while sleeping, if your eyes are still, then you're having non-REM sleep, and if your eyes are moving inside your eyelids, then you're having a REM sleep. How they categorize the sleep? See, what the scientists did, scientists are always keen to unsolve all the queries and the mysteries. What they did, while a person was sleeping, they did a EEG of the person's brain and they got different wave patterns. According to the different wave patterns, they have divided the sleep into different categories. REM sleep is a unique phase of sleeping which can be seen only in mammals and birds. If you compare the electrical waves which are emitted by the brain during the time when you're sleeping, during the REM sleep, and when you're awake, they both look similar. That is, your brain is as active as when you're awake during a REM sleep. But REM sleep is a time of sleeping where you see the colorful, vivid dreams. Now, whatever you see in the dreams, what will happen if you start enacting them? Suppose you're playing cricket or you're, dancing, you're running, and while sleeping, if you start enacting them, then you might hurt yourself and the person sitting or sleeping beside you. So, what does your body do? Your body just switch off all the functions of your muscles, mainly the voluntary muscles, and your body get paralyzed. Yes, you heard me right. Every night your body get paralyzed for 3 to 4 times. All the neurotransmitter and hormones such as histamine, serotonin, norepinephrine, the secretion completely stops. Every part of your body relaxes, only your brain is as active as when you are awake. So what happens in REM sleep? REM sleep is a time of sleeping when your brain synchronizes your memories. They arrange the memories. Whatever you're doing the whole day, they just convert those temporary memory into permanent or long-term memory. This is done by your
Conscious brain, unconscious part of the brain,
keeps on synchronizing and arranging the memory. While doing so, they generate some electrical impulses, and those impulses, when they are perceived by the
conscious part of the brain,
the cortex of the brain, try to manifest and try to understand the meaning of those electrical signals, and that is the result of dreams. REM sleep is also known as paradoxical sleep because it is the time when your brain is completely active and the whole body is at rest. So, have you heard about sleep paralysis? Now I think you can relate the two things. While when our body is in REM sleep, when you're sleeping and suddenly anyhow you get awake, but your brain has not yet sent any signal to the muscles to wake up, and that is the time when you are in a transition phase between sleep and awake. Then what happens? See, if I ask you, have you ever gone through a sleep paralysis? Okay, those who haven't, let me tell you about it briefly. What is a sleep paralysis? At night, if you wake up and suddenly you feel that you can see everything, but you cannot move, you cannot talk, you cannot call anyone, you cannot move your hands, as if you are under the control of anyone. Though no, there is nothing demon in it. It is simply, there's a missynchronization between your brains and the muscles. Your brain has not yet sent the signal to the muscles to wake up. But this thing goes on only for few minutes, then you might wake up. Some of you may think that this is a very terrific feeling. Yes, of course, in this stage, some may feel that they are abducted by an alien, or they are surrounded by demons. Actually, this is a time when you start hallucinating. Interesting. Now let's know more about the sleep. See, whenever we are discussing about dreams, there are many theories regarding these dreams. How we see dreams, what are dreams. In this video, we are concerned with the theories which are acceptable or mostly acceptable worldwide. Here, the scientists, they think that while the process of synchronization of memory is going on, we see dreams. Some of these, and the dreams, they might not be meaningful. They are not meant to be meaningful. They are just a manifestation of the signals that your cortex does. But some of the scientists, they think that dreams do have a certain important impact in our life. Dreams do prepare us for the threats we have to face in the upcoming days. This fact has an evolutionary basis. Like our ancestors, they used to live in caves and they are always surrounded with the threat. Any wild animal may approach to them or they may kill them. So during the time at night, their brain prepares them or rehearses them how to react. We see so vivid dreams. Colorful, mysterious. It can take us to heaven, it can take us to any mystery island. But if we can really feel it, is it possible that someone knows that he or she is dreaming? Yes, I think you might also have observed this phenomena. Have you ever felt that you are in a dream, but you know you are dreaming? This type of dreaming is called lucid dreaming, when the dreamer knows that he is dreaming. Even you can manipulate your dreams. You can create your dreams. You are not believing me? Yes, you can. It is said that those who are observing, those who have seen lucid dream, they have the control of changing the dreams. Yeah, it's similar to the movie Inception. Yeah, but it's not, it doesn't depend on someone else. It's on you. The dreamer can change the dreams. Many scientific discoveries were due to this lucid dreams. Surprise? The periodic table by Mendeleev was discovered in his dream. Shocked? Yes, he saw a dream where all the elements were arranging by themselves in the table. The moment he woke up, he wrote down the placement of all the elements, and that was the periodic table. What happens is, when you're asleep, your brain is not at rest. It keep on thinking, and might be when you're sleeping, when Mendeleev was sleeping, that his brain was continuously thinking about the periodic table. Even the Google algorithm was discovered in dream. Do you know the structure of benzene? Yes, the most important component or the compound of the aromatic chemistry was also discovered in dreams. The structure of DNA, PCR, these all inventions were somehow related with the dreams. When we dream, our brain is synchronizing, assessing, and it's keep on working on the things, rehearsing the things which we practice the whole day, and that is the reason the next day we wake up fresh with new ideas. Lucid dreaming is interesting. Try to have a lucid dream. If you had already a lucid dream, comment it in the comment box. And till then, bye.